Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you a very different recipe. It's a hot milk cake. You can see the texture of this cake. It's so good. It's very simple to make. So let's get started. You're going to take in a saucepan, add 3/4 cup of milk, and then we're going to add 1/4 cup of butter. Just make sure that when you're heating the milk, it doesn't boil. Only the butter has to get melted and the milk has to be a little warm. Once it's become warm, just keep the milk at the side and you can remove it from the gas. And then in another bowl, we are going to take is our yogurt and we're going to take sugar and we're going to give it a really good mix. So the yogurt, I've taken 1/3 cup of yogurt and then I've added sugar which is around 1 cup. Give it a really good mix. So in the meantime, as the milk is cooling down, we'll just mix the yogurt and the sugar. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any other recipes that you want me to show, please do mention in the comment section. Now I've taken is gluten-free flour. So here I've taken the rice flour and jawar flour. But if you don't want to take rice flour and jawar flour, you can take only jawar, but make sure you add a little bit of maida to it so it will give a really good structure. I've mixed it little by little and then I've added baking powder and baking soda. And then once the milk is cool, I added a little bit of vanilla essence and poured it in the dry ingredients batter. Give it a really good mix till all the ingredients are mixed well. The milk can be a little bit hot but not too warm. Because I've used rice flour, you might be able to have to use a little bit more of water or milk in that mixture, or else it is just fine. So once it's mixed, I'm going to add it to my baking tin. Here I'm using a loaf tin, but you can use any other tin that you like. Pour it in the batter. Make sure you don't add like a lot of the batter or else it will overspill. Now I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees for 30 to 25 to 30 minutes, and you can see the cake is done so well. This is like an old bakery style cake, so make sure you add the butter and don't omit it, and you can just check the texture of this cake. It's super soft and it tastes really good. Hope you enjoyed this recipe.